Good morning, Jeju. Day 3 already. Let's make it great.
Okay, getting better at this latte art. Welcome. What can I get for you today?
One iced latte, please.
One iced latte, coming right up. Here you go. One iced latte for you. Enjoy. How does it taste? I tried my best on the latte art today.
It's wonderful, Torii. The latte art is perfect.
Really? Nothing beats a good latte after serving a customer. The sea in Jeju is really something else. I could walk here all day. This is the moment I needed. Jeju really heals the soul. Home sweet home after a perfect day. Day 3, it was a really good day. Thank you, Jeju. See you tomorrow.